Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on these Autofonder automatic ratchet tie-down straps. So you get 4 of the ratchet tie-down straps and they're 12 feet long each. You get 4 of these soft loops, they're 15 inches, and you get a bag to put everything in. That's a really nice feature. So I absolutely love ratchet tie-down straps. Here's what they look like. Now again, I like when they have these keepers, so you can clip it on something and it's not going to fall off on each end. So the way these are going to operate is a little different. So look here on the side, they come shipped in the safety lock position. So you got to lift that lever like it comes right there, but you want to push it, lift that lever and push it down. And then there's like a spring action here. When I press that, it's going to spring, it's going to let that come out. So let me try to do that. There, see, I pushed down, I was able to pull that out. Now, when I push this down, it's going to retract it again. Now be careful, it could come back really quick. Yeah, there's how you retract and extend. Now you're not able to pull these out. You do have to push that down in order for that to be able to pull out. Now once you've got your item strapped down, lift this lever now. Now you're going to do the traditional ratchet, where it's going to draw it in at a really tight. And then put it in the lock position so nothing happens. It's not going to go, it's not going to release, or it's not going to get any tighter. And then when you want to undo it, you got to press down, which is going to let it go out. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.